पास ना टाइम होता है ना एनर्जी टू रन टू अ salon to get ready. Today is my friend's wedding and I've gotten ready at home. I am going to tell you how to achieve this look at home. So let's get started. One useful tip I can give you. Whenever you start with your makeup, do the eye makeup first. That's what I do. In that case, I have a fresh base to work on. In case if I end up spilling some eyeshadow, I can remove it and start with a fresh base without spoiling it. So my first step to eye makeup is a thin layer of concealer on my eyelids so that my eyeshadows stick to it. I am using Faces Canada's Ultime Pro HD Cover Up Concealer. Just a little bit is enough for your eyelid. Just spread it with your fingers only all over your eyelid. Now I'm going to pick up a very rose gold kind of eyeshadow for my eyelids. I am using Makeup Revolution's Intense Pigmented Foil Eyeshadow Palette. This is a young shade that I'm picking for my eyelids. This is a highly pigmented eyeshadow. I'm starting the application with the center of my eyelid and then gently just blending it all over. Whenever you're picking your eyeshadow, make sure you start with the lightest shade first. It's easy for you to go from light to dark, then vice versa. Next, I'm going to pick the lightest color in my palette as my highlighter to put it just below the brow bone. So I'm using Faces Angular Brush to apply my highlighter just on the brow bone. I'm using this gel pot for my eyeliner next. This is by Sugar, and the best part about this that I like is that it comes with an applicator inside, so you don't need an added brush. Now, when you're not too precise with your eyeliner, do not worry. If you have a gel liner like this, then you just need to apply it. Don't worry too much about the precision. Just don't go too thick once you've applied. Next, to smudge my eyeliner, I'm using this angular brush by Faces Canada. Just run your brush to and fro on top of the eyeliner and then a small circle. This will create a smoky effect. My next step is one of my favorite steps for eye makeup because it really opens up my eyes. I'm using this mascara, which is Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. I always start with a bottom coat first and then give a top coat for volume and then start grooming my lashes all over again. This really opens up your eyes. Give a hint of the same mascara to your bottom lashes also. No eye makeup is complete without those perfect brows. So I'm going to finish my eyebrows with an eyeshadow today. I'm showing you this technique and I'm using Makeup Revolution Fortune Flavors The Brave palette. I'm picking the brown and the black eyeshadow, mixing both. I'm going to start filling in gently with very soft strokes. Wherever I see gaps in between my eyebrows, this is the most natural way to fill in your brows. Now that my eye makeup is done, I'm going to move on to my base. But before that, let's take care of any spillage if there was any while I was doing my eyeshadow. My personal skincare wipes are these by Cara. They are aloe vera and mint oil based, so they're very gentle onto the skin. Just after my eye makeup, I like to take a wipe and clean my under eyes before I can start applying my foundation and concealer. Now that I know my under eyes are clean, I'm going to move on to my base. Today I'm using Faces Canada's Ultime Pro Runway Ready Foundation. I like to use this foundation during the day as well as during night because this comes with buildable coverage. I am applying this foundation with a Real Techniques stippling brush. I'm an ultimate fan of this brush because this gives such a smooth finish to my skin that I love it. I'm going to move on to the next step and I'm using my concealer, which is again by Faces Canada. It's the Ultime Pro HD Cover Up Concealer. Just going to dab on the under eyes, and in the end I like a little bit of highlight to the center of my face also. This is where you need your concealer. Now I'm going to start blending my concealer using a small HD foundation brush by London Pride. It's a beautiful brush, especially to reach around areas like inner corner of your eyes where normal brushes are usually too big for. Now to set my base today, I'm using Makeup Revolution's Banana Powder. This is a large powder brush by Faces Canada that I'm using right now. It's so soft and fluffy that I really don't have to put too much product, and it spreads the product on its own. Now that my base is set, I'm going to move on to my next step, which is contour and highlight, because if I don't do that, my features just look so flat. So for my contour and highlight today, I'm using Color Bar's Flawless Touch Contour and Highlighter. I'm using my Real Techniques angular brush to start with the contour first. When you want to contour, make a duck face. Now, same way, go under your jawline. Now I'll start blending this. Very gentle strokes, make small circles Now to highlight, I'm using the other color in the same palette by Colorbar. I'm using this Pan Brush by Faces Canada. Highlighter is to be applied on the high point of your cheekbones, which means it is totally opposite of what a contour does. Just for the finishing touch, I'm going to add the highlighter to the bridge of my nose, little bit on my forehead, upper lip and chin area. Now since this is a wedding party, so you can go all high on highlighter. Now to make my skin look radiant, I'm going to add some blush. Today I'm using Colorbar Matte Illusion Blush. Now I'm going to add some color to my face. It makes your face look radiant, so it's very important. Now the placement of the blush is right between the contour and highlighting that you've done before. Spread it all through. Make sure it doesn't look like a harsh line. The brush that I'm using here for my blush is by Faces Canada. It's a slightly angled brush. Now that my look is nearly complete, I'm going to add my lip color and seal the look. Today I'm using this lip color by Sugar. It's called the Big Bang Berry and I'm excited to see how that shade looks on me. Now to make my makeup last longer, I'm going to use LA Girl Setting Spray from a distance. Now that I'm all set, I'll just accessorize my outfit a bit, jazz it up, because why not? It's my best friend's wedding. If you like my look today, then stay tuned to Foxy for more such beauty content. If you haven't downloaded the app, download it now. Until next time, stay fab, stay foxy.